Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the coefficient of standard deviation. It is calculated by dividing the standard deviation by the arithmetic mean. That is, coefficient of standard deviation is equal to standard deviation upon the mean. And B, coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation is expressed of coefficient of standard deviation in the terms of percentage. That is, coefficient of variation is equal to standard deviation upon x bar into 100. It is most commonly used relative measure of dispersion. This method is used to compare variability or stability or uniformity consistency of the two or more set of data. The data having the higher value of the coefficient variation is said to be a most dispersed or less uniform. Means by the column you can understand value of coefficient variation is high, the probability is more, than stability, uniformity, homogeneity is less. When value of coefficient variation is low, variability is less, and the stability, uniformity, consistency, homogeneity is more. Variation is also be based on the standard deviation and measure of variability. The variation is mean square of a deviation from mean, in other words square of the standard deviation, and it is also called second moment of dispersion. The formula is v is equal to standard deviation square, or standard deviation is equal to under root v. Now take one example from the following data. Find out the which group is more uniform, group A or group B. The group A standard deviation 10 and mean is 15. B standard deviation is 8 and mean is 10. Now we calculate group A. Formula is coefficient of variation is standard deviation upon mean into 100. That is 10 upon 15 into 100, 66.67%. Group B, coefficient of variation standard deviation upon mean into 100, that is 8 upon 10 into 100, that is 80. So group A is more uniform. Now look at the second example. Which brand of TV is more reliable, brand 1 or brand second? The mean is 80 and brand second mean is 70. Variation is 80 brand 1 and variation second 36. For brand first, we calculate standard deviation under V, that is 100 under root 100 is equal to 10. Then we calculate coefficient of variation standard deviation upon mean into 100, that is 10 upon 80 into 100, that is 12.5%. And from brand B, standard deviation under V is equal to 36 upon under root 36 into 6. Then we calculate coefficient of variation, that is standard deviation 6 upon 17 into 100, that is 8.57%. So we can say that coefficient of variation brand B is less, therefore brand B is more reliable. Then we have to calculate the mathematical property of standard, that is combined standard deviation. In case of two or more group, we can calculate combined standard deviation from the following formula, that is standard deviation under root n1 standard deviation 1 d1 plus n2 standard deviation 2 d2 upon n1 plus n2. That is in case of two group. Then in case of more than two group, we can apply the formula standard deviation under root n1 standard deviation 1 deviation 1 plus n2 standard deviation 2 d2, that is dot continuous upon n1 plus n2. We can apply in the case of more than two group, where standard of 1.2 is as a combined standard deviation, n1 is standard deviation of the first group, and standard deviation 2 is the standard deviation of the second group. D1, that is x bar x minus x bar 1 2, it is a combined mean. Then d2 is x2 minus x bar 1 plus 2, that is a combined mean. When the number of item means of two group is are equal, the following formula we use, that is standard deviation 1 2 is equal to under root and standard deviation 1 standard deviation 2 upon 2. And when standard deviation of natural numbers can be calculated from the following formula, standard deviation under root 1 upon 12 n square minus 1. Thank you.